The homie Safford's frozen. What do y'all do? Y'all stupid. Yeah, notice I didn't even do an intro or an outro, so basically this whole video is about me hanging out with my friends and us driving around, driving to a meet and then driving to get something to eat. There was like 5 bad things that happened throughout that night, so I'll probably tell you about it throughout the video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you guys do like the POV style stuff, then let me know and I'll do some more of it. If not, then I'll do less of it. But let me know, and yeah. Is it? Yeah, oh yeah, I do. For more traction. Ooh, the lips looking good. Got all the boys over here. If only it was right-hand drive. Nah. This is a great ass fucking picture. Park right there. Yeah. This big ass motherfucker can't fit. That shit's epic right there.
Everybody's taking videos. Hey, look, a bunch of those Hondas. Maybe all of us make like 1,000, maybe not even close to 1,000 horsepower.
Oh my god.
A bunch of those Hondas. Guys, what are you doing? Probably
Hey,
like,
if you guys take better pictures than me, just send it to me. Let's skedaddle.
Toretto!
Toretto!
Dollars on the bikes, handlebar grips is the same as my Nike. And the mode of gold I use for my spokes, and the frame is the same as I use for my chain. Pedal down the whip, Dino with the black mag, black mag, Dino with the black mag, black mag, black mag, Dino with the pedal down the whip, here's wheelies in the front. Pedal down the whip, here's wheelies in the front. More than Dino with the black mag, black mag, Dino with the black mag, black mag, black mag, Dino with the
Why'd you leave us? Why'd you leave us? Why you look like a midget in that thing? Just swallowed you. Ain't no fucking cops there. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's up ahead, dog. Let's fucking do it, dog. Oh, okay, you wanna race? The blackest hats, my boy. another cop. God damn. The fucking block is hot, homie. Shit. Oh, these motherfuckers. Yeah, I know. Yo, lead. I don't know where I'm going. Ah, shit. Let me turn this off. Are we in Orange County now? Yeah. All right, cool. So we good? Yeah. Yeah. Bro, fuck, man. I didn't record any of it either when we got out.
Oh, I don't want to turn around because we got to get out of that area anyway. So let's go meet Antonio. She's going to meet us at the Wawa.
Yo, nobody do anything stupid. There's cops behind us.
Yeah, no shit.
Oviedo, I'm telling you, bro, I live there. Oviedo PD.
Got stopped because of the lights.
Like,
Cop was on my ass. Good thing shit's registered. Kenny.
I knew Kenny.
Yeah.
The Teggy?
Yeah, the take it with the yellow headlights.
That's why.
Yep.
Yellow headlights.
Yep. God damn it, you motherfucker. God damn. Blowing eardrums and shit.
Bro, you should not turn now.
Alright, say it.
No.
Same shit. Stop running, keep gunning. And it's like family or some shit.
Stop running, keep gunning. I'm not running, just gunning.
Toretto.
Toretto. Never narked at nobody.
Low life problems. Come on. Who the fuck does that shit? Alright, so where's Mario?
Well, at least yours is a connector.
Alright, so Mario with the red EK, you guys saw before.
I literally shifted the second
He
gear.
actually hit the green S2000, green, yellow, whatever the fuck, dude.
Demon color.
It ain't like this.
Destroy the fucking tranny.
But
Say, hold
this
up, hold up.
motherfucker just blew his tranny too.
Any gear? You just
Like,
did?
No, I'm just saying you.
Oh, yeah. Bye-bye second tranny, 4,000 miles.
Jesus, motherfucker.
Yeah, you can put in gear.
Jesus.
But first and third, first, second, third, every good. Oh, yeah.
It's all been bad luck tonight. Bad news. Oh my god.
Bye-bye tranny,
Oh
number
my god.
2.
Ridiculous.
Grenaded it, so.
Yeah. Probably just that.
Oh, I guess we're pulling the
Like, if you flatbed it, do you gotta ride back on?
That's your man.
14 people.
14 people. Jesus. Oh, there he comes. Yo, so what happened just now? Yo, what happened just now?
Ray.
The guy with the Accord.
Yeah, he was trying to talk to Lewis side by side as they're driving. Boom, we freaking hit an old Christian lady in some car.
Oh my god. Today has just been a bad day overall. It's like Friday the 13th or something, bro. It's just bad luck. I am so tired of today. What's up, guys? So even though I wanted this video to be kind of like a POV type style video, I just had to like tell you guys tonight was all bad. Like, man. Alright, so we got one guy that got pulled over. Alright, then we got another guy that rear-ended one of our other homies. Alright, and then we got a guy that rear-ended an old lady. And then when we got the Steak and Shake, we had my boy's tranny blow up. I was like, yo, he's actually gotta wait here. Right now it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. He has to wait here between now and 3:45 or something like that. I've never had a night this bad at all. Like, this is just crazy. And there's a spider in my car right now. I don't know where the fuck it, oh shit, bitch, ow. I have no idea what the fuck just happened, but that spider fucking was wild. And I ain't even scared of fucking spider like that. That bitch was small, but still. Every red light. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, some crazy shit, huh? But, alright guys, have a happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Deuces, one love.